So you want to make more holiday sales selling Twinfluence as an affiliate? Watch this video. Let me tell you. So a few days ago, on Sunday to be specific, I did a live affiliate activation training where I taught how to make sales selling the Twinfluence course this holiday season. And the training was phenomenal. I also prepared a Notion calendar. You will see it in a minute, where I gave my affiliates all of the content that they need to post from today throughout the end of the year to make sales selling this course. But there's just something that didn't sit with me when the training ended. Being the coach that I am, I just felt like something was missing. So, in this video, I'm going to show you what I created. And let me tell you why, I just feel really, really happy to create this and happy that it came to me, because one of the reasons why a lot of affiliates don't make sales, whether you are selling Twinfluence or any other program, is because number one, most people don't know how to sell properly. And people don't talk about this. A lot of times they make it seem like, oh, well, you just don't know something. But this is a skill set that you learn, and you learn over time through practice, right? And what people don't have is time. They want to make money now. And so another thing is, I know just from doing this for so long, people, they don't know how to write emails that sell, right? They don't know how to create urgency or FOMO so people can actually, buy the thing, right? Without sounding salesy and spammy. They don't know how to talk up to their audience. They don't know how to sell without defaulting to, hey guys, right? But if I give you, this is how I thought about this, why I created what I'm about to show you, and I'm so excited. If I gave you a solid foundation and I gave you everything in a calendar, everything written, everything laid out exactly the way you needed to post it, every video created, every image created, it removes all of the don't knows. Like, I don't know how to sell. I don't know how to copyright. I don't know what to say, right? It removes all of the don't knows. Affiliates who don't have to think sell more. And to me, that's simple math. So this is what I created for you on top of the affiliate swipe file. Okay. So right here, this is the affiliate swipe file that you have access to, right? And you already know this because in class you got this. As an affiliate, you got this. As a Twinfluence student, you got this. Okay. But I went as far as to give you my calendar. Okay. There's no coach that does this. I'm talking about the emails, the teasers, the trailer, the captions, the everything that I'm posting. Okay. All of my promotional content. All right, I'm giving it to you. Okay. So this is what it looks like. And it's already in a calendar. So all you have to do is in the dates, everything that needs to go out each day. Okay. So the teaser started yesterday, as we know. The second teaser should go out tomorrow. You have caption 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5, 6 emails. And then where you see daily content, right? So for example, let's open up daily content. Where you see daily content, this is like your calendar for the day, your action steps for the day. So email one goes out around 11 a.m. in the morning. Where's email one? Well, email one is right here, right? So it's already written. It's already written, right? Okay. Let's go back. Daily content. You have social posts that should go out. You have a real idea and the teaser that should go out. Where's your teaser? It's already given to you. Remember, if you come to your swipe file and you come to Black Friday visuals and you click this toggle, your teaser is right here. If you click this Google Drive link, ta-da! Right? There's the teaser. It's already there, right? And what I want you to do is customize this stuff. put it in your Canva, put your words on it, but it's already done. And here's what I did. So let's close this up a little bit. Close the Black Friday visuals, come back to our calendar, right? You have your story prompt, right? So this is the story that you would put out for on Thursday, question sticker, then a countdown sticker, the copy, and you even have a DM that you will send if somebody if someone responds to the story, to your countdown, then hey, I see you tap that countdown, I love that energy, you'll get early access tomorrow, da 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 dot dot, everything done. But here's the kicker, because you know your coach and you know I'm never going to have y'all out here copying and pasting the same content, never. Okay, don't ever. That's why you ain't making no sales as an affiliate, because there's 100 people using the same swipe files that the course gave you. You need to learn how to make the content yours. So I went a step further and I created a rewrite prompt. Just like I did here, you have your universal affiliate content rewriter prompt for you to use all year for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. You have all your Cyber Monday content here. You have all your Christmas content here. You have all your New Year's content here. And that's the rewriter prompt, right? We talked about that in the class on Sunday. But I went further and I created the Black Friday prompts for you. Because what you're going to notice is for the rest of the year, we're not running a sale for the rest of the year. We're only running a sale for 72 hours. So the Black Friday sale, I'm literally giving you the whole campaign done for you. Whereas with Cyber Monday, Christmas, New Year's, unless we decide to do something, which you'll get an email if we do, you'll still be using the content, right? But for Black Friday, I wanted to go a step further. So where you see here, it says Black Friday rewrite prompts. You're going to hit the toggle, and I wrote 2 rewrite prompts for you. So this is how you're going to use this content. So I'm going to open a empty chat GPT. Now remember, this is my content, so I'm not going to hit enter because it makes no sense, right? This is for you. I'm just showing you what you will do. So you'll come here and let's go to the first day. On day 1, you are supposed to send out caption teaser post morning. And this is the real idea that they want you to do. So you'll just, do your twin and have an over shoulder shot of your twin closing the laptop, and you'll put this text on the screen, right? So I'm giving you everything. You can either use the content I give you, or you can use your own twin. If it were me, I would use my own twin because you're building a brand, right? But I'm making it as easy as possible. And then what you would do is you'll come to caption 1. This is caption 1 right here. That's supposed to go out on the day with the trailer, which we have already created for you. And then you're going to come to Chat GPT. So let's copy this whole caption, copy the whole thing. This is what you're going to do. Come over to Chat GPT, and I want you to do the brackets like this, paste brackets. Okay, so that's all you're going to do. Then come back to your swipe file. What we're working on is a caption. So you're going to come to the affiliate caption rewrite prompt, and you're going to copy this prompt right here. All right. And then you're going to come right before the caption and paste the prompt right at the beginning of the caption. Okay. And let's read it so you see exactly what's happening here. Now, remember, if you are in any of my courses or the hotline, which is my school community, then you know about programming your chat GPT. You know about having a base prompt for your business as well as a base visual prompt, which you learn in Twinfluence. And if your chat GPT has that prompt and it's already programmed, then you know what we're doing here. But there are people who they don't have it done. And so this prompt does that for you. So let's read it. I am an affiliate for a course named Twinfluence, which helps entrepreneurs design, train, and market with an AI twin / character. And my goal is to make sales this holiday season. Rewrite the caption below in my voice using my personal tone, personality, and communication style. Keep the message, structure, CTA, and offer details the same. Make it sound like I'm naturally talking to my audience based on my vibe, energy, and lived experience. Don't change the facts about the $77 sale or the 72-hour window. See that? And then you give it the caption. And then, if done right, it should rewrite this caption to sound like you. All right. And that is what you're looking to do. Then read the caption. Still don't copy and paste. Still read it and make sure it has your vibe, your hashtags, your added pizzazz, all right, to the content. Okay. That is what you're going to do. But here you are. You have every piece of content that you need to post starting today until Sunday so you can make some sales as an affiliate for the Twinfluence course. I am so excited. If you are done watching and you have any questions and you're in the hotline, go ahead and post your questions inside of the lounge. And let's start making some money. All right. This is the weekend where it all begins. All